Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the districts of Dibrugarh and Tinsukia in the state of Assam and covers a land area of 111.19 km square rainforest. A part of this has been declared as Wildlife Sanctuary by the government of Assam, whereas the other part is declared as the Dibru-Deimali Elephant Reserve. The place is rich in biodiversity and is habitat for many non-human primates. Till date, 47 mammal species, 47 reptile species and 30 butterfly species have been recorded. Many mammal species such as the clouded leopard, the sun bear, the barking deers and many more mammals has been found. Till date, we have found 293 bird species, out of which there are 174 genera and 51 families. Many bird species are also found in this rainforest such as the white-winged duck, bilge vulture and marsh babbler.
Let me tell you about the history of rainforest in Assam. When the Britishers first arrived in Assam, they found the entire foothill region from Mirapani in Golaghat to Jagun in Tinsukia was covered with luxurious rainforest. Now for the sake of economic development, rainforests were destroyed. About 5,000 square kilometers of rainforest was destroyed for the purpose of establishing and development of tea industries as well as the oil industries. Now only 500 to 600 square kilometers of the rainforest is surviving, out of which only 111 square kilometers of the rainforest is described as the wildlife sanctuary.
I'm going to explain the whole history of this issue. In 1973, there was a contract or lease signed between CIL and State Government of Assam, which stated that CIL could take or mine coal for 30 years, that means from 1973 to 2003. So, coal mining should have been ended in 2003 itself. But from 2003, several illegal red hole minings began to be done at Saleki and several parts of Dahi Patkai. In 4 January 2004, 111 square kilometers of the Dahi Patkai region was declared as Dahi Patkai Elephant Wildlife Sanctuary. In 2012, the CIL again asked for a new lease to the state government. At that time, the chairperson of Assam State Wildlife Board was Tarun Gogoi. He refused for the proposal and also compelled to compensate the CIL for the illegal coal mining that they were doing since 2003. Cabinet of Assam government forwarded this proposal to the central government. Also, the Assam government did a ground level survey in the area of Saleki. Finally, after so many meetings and conferences, the NBWL or the National Board of Wildlife came to an ending decision through a video conferences that was held on 7th April 2020 that the coal mining will be done at the region of Saleki.
So many people have a misconception about the mining site. Let me tell you, according to the NBWL approval, mining is not allowed inside the Dahi Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary, but it has been approved for a site called Saleki, which is 10 km far away from the Dahi Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary, and Saleki is itself a proposed reserve forest PRF. The next is destruction of rainforest. As you all know, Assam has already sacrificed 5,000 square kilometers of its rainforest in the past for the sake of economic development. Now, there is only a small patch of 400 to 500 square kilometers of rainforest, and we don't want the only rainforest surviving in the district of Tinsukia and Dibrugarh to get destroyed. And if the rainforest gets destroyed, then wild animals will lose their natural habitat. Coal mining. As you all know, coal mining can cause many negative impacts on the environment, and in case of Saleki, the further consequences are also expected. Number 1, man-animal conflicts. As you all know, Assam is very much common for its man-animal conflicts. Many wild animals will come down to the street and cause heavy destruction to the nearby villages as well as to the local people. Number 2, diseases like cancer. Yes, the coal gases can cause respiratory diseases as well like cancer. The nearest, in case of Saleki, the nearest town is Digboi, which is just 10 kilometers away from Saleki. And if the coal mining continues, then Digboi will face much problems in case of health issues.
It's true that coal mine is very much relevant in our day-to-day lives. So I am gonna say some practical solutions by keeping in mind on the issues prevailing for the mining of coal. So my first solution is there are many coal reserves in India which are not used and might not have discovered yet. Since people don't know about it, they are not aware about it. My second solution is we can see that in European countries more than 50% of the previously mined lands are reclaimed as the forest and grassland itself. In China too, we can see 70% of the mined lands are recleared for the agricultural purposes. So this kind of forest should be also done in India too, to recover the polluted parts to do mining.
But it is also to be noted that Coal India Limited has no such records of reusing land that has been mined before. The land that they have mined have always been exploited.
When the whole world braces itself from an epidemic called COVID-19, let's just take a step forward from our home itself and raise our voice. Those animals are pleading for help. Just as how a refugee is left alone without any help, these animals will also be snatched away from their homes. So don't you think that we human beings for our own greed are exploiting our nature? Just give it a second thought, because it's high time to save the Amazon of East.
যেতিয়াই অসমীয়াৰ স্বাভিমানত আঘাত কৰা হৈছে তেতিয়াই প্ৰতিগৰাকী অসমীয়াই স্বাভিমান ৰক্ষাৰ যুঁজত নামিছে আৰু আজি কৰোনাৰ সন্ত্ৰাসৰ মাজতো কেন্দ্ৰীয় চৰকাৰে আমাৰ অসমীয়াৰ স্বাভিমানত আঘাত হানি দিহিং পাটকাইৰ বুকুত যি আঘাত কৰিবলৈ বিচাৰিছে সেই আঘাতৰ বিৰুদ্ধে আমি থিয় দিবলৈ আহিছো আৰু প্ৰতিগৰাকী অসমীয়াক তথা প্ৰতিগৰাকী সচেতনশীল ব্যক্তিক এই খনন কাৰ্যৰ বা এই কাৰ্যৰ বিৰোধিতা কৰিবলৈ আহ্বান জনাইছো
Lockdown doesn't mean shutting down of voices. Don't make them homeless. Save Dihin Patkai, save nature.
Not a single leaf of Dihin Patkai worth the coal mining. We don't want Dihin Patkai Elephant Reserve to be only as a part of geography chapter.
Nature provides us every article to survive. So please stop coal mining in Dihin Patkai Valley and save the Amazon of the East.
Dear India, we stood against GA, we stood for Amazon rainforest. Now, let's stand for our local Amazon, Dihin Patkai. Save Dihin Patkai, save nature.
Easy to dig, hard to fill. Easy to kill, hard to feel. Raise voice and save elephants.
Stood for Amazon rainforest. We stood for CAA. Now here's the time. We should stand for our own.
Never let your greed overcome greenery.
At last, it's a kind request to Modi ji, the chairperson of National Board of Wildlife, and Coal India Limited to withdraw this coal mining project. Raise voice and stay safe.